Sure, everything alright?
Trust me. Plus, hey, you need milk and chicken, don't you? Come here.
Which means you're going to take up the bill for me too, right?
Aye, not we.
Alright, Raymond.
Sir, would you be so kind as to reinforce to your staff that no one should leave or use their cell phones?
Alright. Alright. Listen to this a pleasant surprise. Let me take a wild guess. You're going to want all the files, right?
That's why I'm here.
Young man, when you have a moment.
Sir?
Yeah.
I am going to need your phone as well.
Oh, knock yourself.
You are too kind.
Just don't mess with my girlfriend and numbers.
Raymond?
Oh, I was just looking for bread, but found it.
Accept.
Will you be so kind as to unlock the phone for me, please? Thank you.
Try bypass the side that says news and joke.
You think this is a joke?
No, I find it hilarious that them let anybody in this building nowadays.
Yeah, man, save your words. We'll soon see how much words you actually have left when all this blows up in your face.
Hold on. Major. You're on a major picnic?
Yes, sir. But it's not that kind of party today. Since you're a man versed in combat and such things, let me clear this up by quoting Genghis Khan to you. I am the punishment of God. If you had not done terrible things, God would not have sent a punishment like me upon you. So, sir, I need all the documents. Right now, no delay.
Genghis Khan. Barbarians at the gate. Well, let me tell you something. You can have all the files you want. But there's a little thing called every action has an equal opposite reaction. Knock yourself out. But try and remember when you speak of the wrath of God, you need to be very careful of what the devil can bring. Thank you, son. Okay. Talk to you. Good help is hard to find these days. I think you interrupted his lunch.
It looks like he could afford to miss a few lunches.
$40,909.
Does your father know where you are? I must talk to Ronald about the type of people they've been raised.
Would that become your business, sir?
I could have been your godfather.
Thank God for small mercies.
Yes? Same way if your mother hadn't shaved her pubic hair, it would have strangled you at birth.
You're not taking this thing serious enough, clearly.
Of course I am. It's a matter of life or death for you, isn't it?
I wonder if I should take that as a threat.
No, son. Certain cases, after you talk to the minister, you can take it as a promise.
Minister? Which minister?
The one at your church. After all of this, you better give him some holy tithes.
You know what? I need to see the main files on your computer.
You know, you seem to be a very energetic and detailed young man. Well, Genghis,
yeah. Mr. Mullins, I get the feeling we're going to be seeing a lot more of each other. Get somebody to pack up these files.
No. You made the mess. You clean it, Genghis. I'm certain you can. No, hold on a second. My phone. Thank you. What's on my girlfriend?
Sir, I found nothing, sir. The place is clean. If there's any cleaner, we could eat off the floor. And there is everything about sleepers. I don't find anything undocumented. They're all documented, sir. Sir, this was a wild goose chase, to say the least. All right, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir. All right. Maybe one of those days, boy.